you're sitting in Vajrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. So before moving on to the actual posture, you need to warm up your back. So for that, bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale. Slowly push your hips forward and slowly look up. And again, inhale, back to center. Couple of times more. Inhale, exhale, push your hips forward, then back. And again, inhale, back to center. And this time we are going to move on to the actual posture. So inhale, exhale, pushing your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back.
To release the posture, inhale and relax in child's pose.
Begin with Sarvangasana. Again, lie down comfortably on your back and bring your legs all the way up, just like in Viparita Karni. So inhale, bring both your legs up and slowly bring both your legs up towards the sky. So let me show you the difference here. So for Viparita Karni, your hips were way too lower, just like this. So my chin and the chest are apart. And for Sarvangasana, the actual shoulder stand, you push your hips all the way forward and bring your chest closer to your chin and elongate the lower part of your body, creating nice inversion. So your blood is inverted here. Just keep your breath normal and hold the posture for as long as you can, strengthening your shoulders here. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice and relax your legs. And from Sarvangasana, moving on to Halasana, you need a lot of core strength here. So just take your time, keep yourself comfortable, and without bending your legs here, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time, do not rush into the posture, keep exhaling, use your core, engage your core muscles and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here and bring it all the way down, strengthening your shoulders here and stretching your legs all the way back. You can feel my neck muscles and my shoulder muscles getting strong here. So keep your breath really normal. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to release the posture, just slowly bring your arms back, slowly bringing your legs back to Viparita Karni, taking your legs one by one. And to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice and relax your legs in Shavasana.
So lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your heel closer, your palms near your side of your chest. Now inhale and then come up such that the navel point touches on the mat. Above your navel, nothing should be on the mat. Okay? Lift your chin up, look at the ceiling. Stay here for 5 breaths. When you stay here for 5 breaths, put all your upper body weight on your middle back and strengthen your middle back as much as possible. And exhale down. Now we'll do one more variation in Bhujangasana. The same thing, inhale and come up such that the navel point touches the mat and gently lift your hands off the mat. Stay here, shift all the body weight towards your lower back and strengthen your lower back. Exhale down. Now gently place your hands down in between your shoulders and your pelvic bone. Open your legs slightly out. Inhale and then come up. Now lift your navel above the ground level. Push your pelvic bone down. Protrude your pelvic bone down and then elbow straight. Push the shoulders back. Drop your neck back and then arch. Down. Now the same thing again, join your legs together, heel together. When you join your legs together, your arch will not be more, but your spine stretch will be more. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cages, and then arch back. Squeeze your butt, drop your shoulders back, and then arch. Mouth closed, upper joint, lower joint contact with each other. Exhale down. Once you're done, you can go for Shashangasana. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths.
Fish pose is to stretch both your legs forward really nice. You're going to lie down on your back, but you need support, right? So for that, you're going to place both your elbows right at the back. By placing the elbows down to the mat, open your heart first as you inhale, and slowly as you exhale, drop the crown of the head all the way down to the mat. Now from here, if you cannot reach the floor, you can always adjust by walking through your elbows and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. So it opens up your heart, the neck and the crown chakra. And to release the posture, just put the pressure back to the elbows. Inhale up and relax.